Hello, welcome back to Starting Your Power Platform Journey. I'm Syed Hasan, Power Platform developer, trainer, and founder of LowCodeDev, and I'm so glad you are here again. In our last episode, we explored Power Automate, the digital assistant that takes care of repetitive work while you focus on what really matters. But today, we are shifting gears. We are talking about the Power Platform tool that gives meaning to all the data you collect, the one that turns numbers into stories and reports into insight. Yup, it's Power BI. If Power Apps is about creating and Power Automate is about connecting, then Power BI is about understanding. It's the storyteller of the Power Platform family, helping you see the bigger picture behind your business, your projects, or even your personal goals. So grab your coffee, plug to those earphones, and let's discover how to turn your data into decisions. Let's start with the simple image. You have got an Excel file full of numbers, hundreds of rows, sales, expenses, deadlines. You scroll and scroll, but nothing really speaks to you. That's where Power BI steps in. It's Microsoft tool for transforming raw data into interactive dashboards and visual reports that actually tell a story. Think of Power BI as your data translator. It takes all the numbers, categories, and dates and turns them into something visual, something human. You could have a bar chart showing total sales by region, a donut chart showing how many projects are on track versus delayed, a line chart tracking monthly performance trends, or even a map that lights up your customer locations across the world. And the best part? Power BI can connect to almost anything: Excel, SharePoint, Dataverse, SQL, OneDrive, Google Sheets, even live APIs. So whether your data lives in the cloud or your laptop, Power BI brings it together in one view. It's like giving your data a microphone. Finally, you can hear what it's been trying to tell you all along. Okay, now you might ask, why Power BI? Why not just use Excel? Good question. Here's why people fall in love with Power BI once they try it. It makes your data beautiful. Instead of endless tables, you get stunning visuals, charts, KPIs, gauges, and color-coded trends. It's always fresh. Your dashboard updates in real time as new data arrives from SharePoint, Dataverse, or Excel only. It's collaborative. Publish your dashboard online in Power BI service, share them with your team, and everyone can filter, drill down, and explore insights. No duplicate reports. It connects everything. Embed a Power BI dashboard right inside your Power App or trigger a Power Automate flow when your numbers hit a threshold. Everything works together seamlessly. It's a career booster. Companies everywhere are hiring people who can make data talk. Power BI is one of the top Power Platform skills that employers looking for. And the best part, you don't need to be a developer. If you can imagine the story your data should tell, Power BI can build it for you. Alright, let's break down how you can start exploring Power BI today. First, install Power BI Desktop. Head to the Microsoft Store, search Power BI Desktop and install it. When you open it, you will see three icons on the left: Report, Data, and Model. That's where all the magic happens. Then connect your data. Click Get Data. Choose your source, Excel, SharePoint, or Dataverse. For example, you might pick your project tracker Excel file. Select the right table or sheet and click Load. Now Power BI has everything it needs. Now, you need to transform and clean your data. So how to do? Click Transform Data to open the Power Query editor. Here you can rename columns, remove duplicates, and fix data types. Think of it as cleaning your lens before taking the picture. Now let's create a visual. Back on the report page, start dragging fields onto the canvas. A card for total budget, a donut chart for project status, a bar chart for budget by department, a line chart for trends over time. Every visual add updates automatically as the data changes. Now next an interactivity. Insert a slicer visual for filters like department or status. Click IT and suddenly every chart filters itself. It feels alive, like your data is responding to you. Now it's time to publish and share. Once you are happy, click Publish, sign in with a Microsoft 365 account, choose My Workspace, then visit app.powerbi.com. Your dashboard is live. You can share it with teammates or embed it inside your Power Apps app. Here's the pro tip. Start small. Use data you already know. Maybe your daily task, sales tracker, or event registration. When you understand the story behind your data, learning Power BI becomes fun, almost addictive. Now let's make this more real. Imagine we manage several projects. Each record has the project name, department, manager, budget, and status. With Power BI, we can build a simple yet powerful dashboard that shows how many projects are completed, in progress, or delayed, which departments are using the most budget, the total budget versus spending curves, and color-coded indicator that turn red when a project is off track. Once it's done, we can embed it right inside our Power Apps project management app. That means as soon as someone updates the project status, the dashboard updates automatically. No emails, no manual reports, just live insights. That's the Power Platform in harmony. Power Apps build the data, Power Automate, Connected, and Power BI reveal the story. And that's the wrap for today's episode. Power BI turned data into decisions. We explored what Power BI is, why it matters, and how it turns data into stories we can act on. It's the visual brain of the Power Platform, helping us not just collect information, but truly understand it. In our next episode, we will step into Power Pages, the web builder that lets you share your data securely with the world. If you enjoyed this episode, hit follow so you never miss an update, and share it with a friend who loves data but hates the spreadsheets. Remember, data is the new oil, but Power BI defines it into value. I'm Syed Hasan, and you have been listening to Starting Your Power Platform Journey. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep learning, keep building, and keep turning your data into decisions.